Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn block printing. So these are the blocks that I have got from Meesho. I have put the link down in the description box if you are interested in buying. This is an amazing set of 6 blocks. This is the top, or you can say t-shirt, that I'm going to paint today. I have started by using a large scale and mark the points because I want my blocks to be equidistant. So I have marked my points in advance so that I have my reference. The next step is I will keep the cardboard inside so that the paint does not seep and gets applied on the opposite layer. I'm going to show you all the do's and don'ts as well. So this is the block. You can see it's very pretty. So one common method that I have seen people doing is they apply the color using a brush. Now you can see this is what I have applied, and once you use a brush to apply, you actually put colors inside all these small holes or sections. Now this block is not suitable for printing. If you will put this on the paper or on fabric, you will see that the design did not come out nicely because you had also put the colors inside the sections. So take your paint on a flat surface, spread it evenly, and then put your block over it. Now you can see there are very small sections that got the color in them, and I'm using a pencil, or you can use any sharp object to remove them. This only happens for the first time. For subsequent ones, this does not happen. Now firmly apply your block at the point where you are supposed to print and apply even pressure. Without moving, very carefully remove the block. Take the paint again and then repeat the same. So one thing what you have to make sure is that you get all the paint on the upper sections or just the design and not inside them. Take paint in a flat surface and just slightly dip the block in it. Next, while you are applying it on the fabric, you have to make sure that you apply an even pressure and little bit high pressure so that the paint gets transferred evenly and the design is evenly transferred. Very carefully you have to remove. You have to make sure it does not smudge or it does not move at all, otherwise your design will get distorted. Now you can see I have chosen to draw 3 mandalas at the end and then 2 above them and 1 again on the top. Now this is something you will get with multiple takes. So make sure when you are trying the block printing for the first time, it is a fabric that is okay for a try. So even if it does not come out good, that's okay. So do not try this directly on the final cloth. Make sure to give it a try before and let it dry properly. I have several other fabric painting videos. Make sure to watch them, and I share lots of detailed processes so that you guys learn with me. Now this is the final outcome. You can see the mandalas have come out really pretty. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!